Howdy there, partners. My name is Cowboy Caleb, and before I get talking about this video, I would like you to visit thecalebstudio.wordpress.com for more information about my YouTube channel. Now, I've been 3D printing, cool fidgets. I think they're cool, and, they're definitely, they make a little noise, but I think they're pretty cool. I've actually been selling these lately to my brothers, and I've been making quite a bit of money on them. And I've also 3D printed this. It's basically like a dragon egg, but it goes all the way down, basically. And yeah, you can just like fidget with it all you want. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's interesting with the design. And I picked out the colors red and orange because I thought it would look pretty cool, especially if it's a dragon egg. I've found these files, or I found these 3D prints at, a library, and, they looked pretty cool, so thought might as well try them. And, I've been making quite a bit of money on them. I think they're pretty cool, especially this one. I think it's definitely, you can't break this one, even if you now, I took a frame off of it, and the frame just fell down, but it's actually not broken. All it is just you need to snap the pieces back on, like this, and good. It's like new. Same with this one that fell down. There. Yeah. So this is a fidget that cannot break unless you're like sitting on it, I guess. And yeah, I think this fidget is cool, especially since you can't break it. And yeah, that's what I've been 3D printing lately, I guess. I should, my plan is to make more of these and to sell more and make more money off of them. Cause I like 3D printing and selling them, cause you make quite a bit of money on them. And, it's cool. Especially I like this one. That's what I've been doing the last couple of days, while I've been practicing my accordion, like I showed you guys last video. There's another fidget I wanted to show you guys. This is another fidget, but this was for Easter this year. It's just a little fidget. It's basically an Easter egg, but with bunny ears and feet. And I painted the ears pink, as you can see. I thought this was a little cool, but mine is a little rough on some spots, but this is the first one I 3D printed for Easter. This was not what I thought it was, but it doesn't twist like the other one. It just goes up and down, which I wouldn't really call that an interesting fidget. Yeah, but same, I painted the ears pink. I guess I painted the feet pink too, I guess. Yeah, and I actually kind of broke it because I might have been a little too mad at it. I don't know. Can't remember. But, yeah. Yeah, like right now I can't get it back in, so maybe that's why I broke it. There, finally. I got it back in. Yeah.
Nobody needs that anyway.
But yeah, I've been 3D printing some cool fidgets lately, and this is the end of this video. I hope you all liked this video, and I will see you next week.